He says, my question is, how Allah reads me or sees me?
Because Allah is everywhere and He can't be seen. So the children generally wonder why and how Allah sees. Allah is everywhere, so He knows what's happening within the heart, mind, everything. So it is a very difficult question to fully understand, particularly for children. But even the grown-ups, if they keep concentrating on it, they'll go mad and still they will not be able to understand. But it happens. It is true, because in the Holy Quran, Allah has spoken of things unseen by Ahmediyya, hundreds of them, thousands of them. And when they are mentioned in the Quran, they happen exactly as they are mentioned. So the prophecy about the future, prophecies are made by Islam in this age as well, which came to be true after he had died, and now we know that they are being realized by the events of the world. So positive proof there is that it happens. How it happens, you can't understand. Right? And you have a song as well? No, last time perhaps he had one. Huh? He did? Okay. Any question? No.
Yeah, one more question. I've got one question.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum Hazur.